What's up, guys? BLU-RAY here with another Angry Grandpa reaction. Yes, this is going to be the Coke Mentos explosion prank. So here we go.
Okay, Dad. The idea behind this is you're going to have to, they say it's impossible to hover your face over the bottle and dump a handful of Mentos in at the same time.
That's ridiculous.
There's something about muscle spasms or something. You can't do it. It's impossible.
That's bullshit.
You can't do it.
That can be done.
Well, you have to prove it.
It can be done, goddammit.
Well, Grandpa is doing the Mentos Hover Challenge.
All right.
The hover.
It's called the Mentos Hover Challenge. You can't do it. It's impossible.
What I gotta do?
Alright, here you go, Dad. Now listen to me. You gotta... Alright, hover your face before you put them in. You gotta put your face over the bottle.
You gotta put my face over the bottle.
Over the bottle.
Can I finish my cigarette first?
Put your face over the bottle. Like that. And meanwhile, you hold it.
I gotta hold it like this?
Yes, it's... I guess you...
Now what, Bobby? Just tell me.
Hover your face. Put that handful of Mentos in the Coke.
Oh my god.
I guess you couldn't do it, did you?
Oh shit. Wow. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Son of a bitch!
Oh shit, taking off his shirt like the Hulk.
What are you doing?
Oh shit.
Mentos in the goddamn brain.
Oh my
I put a little
god.
bit of Mentos in your Diet Coke. So what?
You put Mentos in my goddamn Diet Coke, you son of a bitch!
What the fuck is he doing with the fucking grass? The
Are you
bushes,
this mad for
man.
real?
Goddamn right. You get a goddamn nose full of Mentos and Coke.
He's got another one. Bridget. Oh, she's throwing chairs.
Goddamn lady. Get out of my goddamn neck. Get out of my goddamn neck.
Oh shit.
Stop! I'm sorry.
Get the goddamn car and get the fuck out of my yard. Don't you ever come the fuck back over here.
Oh my god.
Don't do it again, bitch.
Oh, we called her a
You'll end up
bitch.
wearing it.
Just a little bit of Mentos.
It was just, for fun.
Okay, what's he doing?
What are we doing? Why am I...
Who do you think he is, the Terminator?
What is happening?
Look at Grandpa. Oh shit.
Wrong one, Bridget. What are you doing?
Come on, get out, goddamn. I'm with you, goddamn ass. It's time you got an ass. Get out of here.
Go, Bridget, go!
Bridget, go. Shit. Why does he fall for this shit? God damn, Grandpa. Why does he always fall for that shit? Wow, guys, that was just... Why does Grandpa just fall for this shit? He should know that Michael's gonna come up with something, and he ends up doing it. And I've never, and that's the first time I tried that Coke and Mentos explosion once. It didn't go the way that it went with Grandpa, but that shit was fucking funny. That shit was hilarious. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video reaction of Angry Grandpa and the Coke and Mentos explosion prank. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you thought about the prank. Thumbs up the video if you want to see more, or thumbs down like a few other people did the last Angry Grandpa video I did. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and share the video with your friends. I'm BLU-RAY, and I'll catch you guys next time.